As you embark on the roller coaster ride called implementing an EHR system, there are numerous critical decisions that have to be made. One of those is whether your EHR system should be in-house or hosted. Here are 5 reasons outsourcing your EHR hosting may be a good idea. Less IT support. While some in-house IT needs may still need to be filled, a large amount of your IT needs will be outsourced. Instead of employing at least one employee to manage your EHR software, servers, coordinate upgrades, etc., someone else will be responsible of doing that for you. Plus, this person has probably hosted an EHR very similar to yours and is familiar with the process. Lower initial costs. The upfront costs of outsourcing your EHR hosting are remarkably lower than purchasing all of the equipment yourself, not to mention housing it and employing someone to monitor the equipment and coordinate updates and upgrades. Increased accessibility. A hosted EHR is web-based, which means it can be accessed anywhere there's a secure internet connection. Providers and leadership can easily access the information they need from remote locations using smart devices like iPads and iPhones. Backups. With a hosted model, you will have less responsibility to keep your system backed up and prepped in case of a disaster. Your IT hosting company should comply to HIPAA's policies on data integrity, security, and privacy. Smoother upgrades. With a hosted EHR system, the hosted company will take on the brunt of the work associated with both software and hardware upgrades. While you can't avoid all the costs associated with upgrades, the majority of the labor are taken care of for you. They all sound like great reasons, don't they? The key is to research your practice, determine your workflows, evaluate your current staff, and determine whether outsourcing your EHR hosting makes sense for you. If so, thoroughly research your medical IT partner to make sure they are doing everything they can to keep your system and patient data secure.